In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the name of any element in Canva. If you've ever wondered what a specific element is called or struggled to locate it again later, you're not alone. Knowing how to identify element names can save you a lot of time and make your design process much more efficient. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva on your computer. Once you're there, open an existing design or start a new one, whichever you prefer. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu featuring different options like text, photos, and elements. Go ahead and click on Elements. This section is full of creative resources, shapes, icons, illustrations, and graphics, all designed to help you bring your ideas to life. After opening the Elements tab, you'll see a variety of visuals to choose from. Now, when you hover your mouse over an element that catches your eye, take a look toward the right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 small dots. This is your key to more information. Click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and within that menu, you'll find the name of the element displayed clearly. And that's it. You've just uncovered one of Canva's most useful little tricks. Knowing the element's name is especially handy if you ever want to find it again later, reuse it in another design, or maintain a consistent look across multiple projects. Pro tip: if you find an element you really love, make note of its name right away. You can even keep a small list of your favorite elements to build your own personal design library. This will save time and help you stay consistent across all your Canva projects. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find out the name of any element in Canva. This simple trick can make your design workflow smoother, faster, and much more enjoyable. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy designing!